Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another video, and that's another unboxing video. And today what we're going to be unboxing is the Anker portable 200 milliamp battery pack. You can use this to recharge your tablets, phones, and other devices. I had one of these, well, not this brand, but another one, and it died on me. Had it for like maybe 4 years, and it died on me just the other day. So I had to go buy another one. And this right here, it says it's America's leading charger brand of 30 million people. Well, we don't know. I might not like it. And it has an 18-month hassle-free warranty. Also, what I always tell y'all, please get the extended warranty for things like this. And this will set you back $69.99. $69.99. It has Power IQ, adapts charging output to enable full speed charging. It has voltage boost for cable resistance to keep charging fast. And it has multi-protect. It ensures total protection for you and your device. And it has 2 USB, so you can charge 2 things at one time. And here it goes. Sorry again. Let's see if I can get it in view. There you go. That's how it looks. We're about to get the unboxing. Sorry, I'm not in my home/office studio. I'm on business trip, so I thought it would be good to do a video while I'm on my trip. Today we have unboxing knife. I haven't given this one a name. Let's get into this one. Presentation is good. You got to open the flaps. You get to see what it's going to look like. It said it has a slim design. Well, we will see if it has a slim design. Let's open the box and let's see what we have in here. All right, nothing in the box as you can see. So what we're gonna do, nothing else. We're gonna do, put this on the floor. It comes with a book. Comes with a book right now, the user manual of the PowerCore Metro Essential 20,000 milliamp battery. 20,000 milliamp battery, okay. Take off that. Anything else? Does it come with some? Oh yeah, it comes with a nice pouch. Look at that. That's nice. Nice mesh pouch. It's not leather or nothing, but it's nice. Got a little drawstring on it. They trying to up the game a little bit. Trying to up the game. All right, put that down there to see. All right, okay. This is the battery pack here. This is the battery pack here. And it doesn't come with the charging brick, but it comes with a USB micro. I think USB micro. I think it's micro, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty long. So here we go. Here goes the Anker. Let's see if I can get it in. There we go. This is how it looks. Take out the ports right here. It looks pretty good. It feels nice in the hand. It's not too heavy. Let's put it in the pouch. Let's see how it looks in the pouch. Ooh. Woo. Pow. So here we go. And that pouch, not bad. Not bad. Presentation, I give it an A for presentation. Give you a nice little pouch to keep it from getting banged up and beat up. Nice texture. Look like almost a jean. A cloth texture, like filling on jean. So that's pretty good right there. Let's see if you can see it. Let's see if we can get it. There you go. There you go, the jean right there. I think it's pretty good. It got one button. It comes with, it has two dots of charging. It also has, okay, inputs. You can charge it micro. You can charge it with micro. Booyah. Or, hold on. Sorry. Or you can charge it with a USB-C. So you can either charge it with a micro or USB-C as the input method of charging. Now what we're going to do, we're going to see how it charges up. Yo, I'm back. Got 2 charging cable, 2 USB to USB-C charging cables. We're going to see how this thing charges up. Plug both of them in. Like I said before, it got 2 dots of charging. That means it's a halfway charge. I think it has 4 dots. So 2 dots mean it's halfway charge. So we have a halfway charge battery bank or power pack. And I'm gonna put my first phone on. Comes up 15 minutes to until fully charged. And my second phone, let's see, boo. And we got 1 minute till it's fully charged. And normally if I plug up my phones to older battery packs, will tell me that it doesn't support, or it'll tell it's the charging is slow. So with this, it didn't come up, so I'm guessing that it's doing some type of fast charging to the phone. From my point of view, it works as intended. I'm gonna give it an A. I love it. Quick smell test. This thing smells like it's going to charge up my devices just fine. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer. I'm out. Have a good day.